Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Nkiru. Today I'm showing you how to make the perfect fresh guacamole just in time for Super Bowl Sunday. We are using ripe avocados, onion, garlic, tomatoes, cilantro, jalapeno pepper, cumin, fresh lime juice, and sea salt. I'll list the measurements in the description, so further along, let's make some magic in the kitchen. Let's start by chopping the cilantro. Next, let's deseed and dice the tomatoes. I want you to know that deseeding will not be necessary if we are using Roma tomatoes. But because these ones have much water, I have to deseed them. We don't want too much liquid in our guacamole. Go ahead and chop the onion. I am using yellow onion. Use what you have. Chop the jalapeno pepper. Finally, mince the garlic cloves. Look how beautiful it is. Wait until you taste it. Now cut the avocados into two. Remove the pit and scoop the avocado flesh into a bowl. Go ahead and mash the avocados with a fork until you achieve the preferred consistency, creamy or chunky. It's up to you. I like mine on the creamy side, so this is the consistency I prefer. Add the chopped cilantro, tomatoes, onion, jalapeno, and garlic to the mashed avocado. For an extra depth of flavor, sprinkle in some ground cumin. This is the secret to making this guac truly unforgettable. Add fresh lime juice and some salt and mix it all up together. I prefer to use sea salt for my guac. Our fresh and flavorful guacamole, the ultimate Super Bowl dip, is ready. Whether you're a football fan or party host, go ahead and dazzle your friends with this easy, delicious recipe. Serve the guac with tortilla chips and make the game day or party unforgettable for everyone. Now, the best part. Let's give it a taste. It's creamy, zesty, and totally delicious. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our future videos. Let us know in the comment how you like your guac. See you in the next video.